welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ciera Michelle. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good, family? What's up? What it do?
What it is? What's up? What's up?
Today we're going to be doing a face mask and chill series, positive vibes only. If you want to see me achieve this glowing look, how about you just stay tuned and catch these vibes. So starting off this video, I'm gonna look a little dry and crusty, but the point of this video is to get myself together spiritually and physically. I've been trying out a lot of face masks, and this one I'm trying out today is the anti-stress Dead Sea Mineral Clay Mask. You can leave this mask on for 10 minutes and it's for all skin types. It smells good too. So as a young woman, I feel as though self-care is everything to me now. What I viewed last year to what I view this year has changed so much, and it's just like, how can one person change so much within a year, like a year's time? How can you change so much? And I've changed drastically. Like my main thing now is just self-care, making sure myself is okay. Like beginning of the year, I was all about self-care and just loving myself. Then it turns out I rededicate my life to Christ, and I'm still on that self-care and self-love journey. And I don't think it'll ever end. Like, you should always be loving yourself and just making sure you're okay. Like, this is one body. I'm gonna make sure I'm okay. Like, I really want to treat myself to a massage by the end of the year for like Christmas, as well as making that not into a big thing. I should be getting massages once a month. Like, I work a full-time job. I need to be getting massages on the regular and just facials and stuff like that. I don't want it to be like, oh, I'm gonna save up some money and do this at the end of the year. No, I want to always like do that so I can always, you know, be good. I don't want to just wait until I feel just down and out to start self-care. I want it to always be like a continuous process. To be honest, like our mind is just so freaking like powerful. It controls everything. Like, let's say I'm running and I feel like I can't do it no more because my mind is telling me. Well, my mind can also motivate me. Our mind is so strong. It really is a determining factor, and I really just hate when people say I'm broke, or like, and they don't mean it when they might actually be broke, but there's power in your mouth and there's power in your thoughts. So that's been another thing that I have really changed. I can't make it up. Every day I wake up, I'm putting on something positive. If it's not my positive little videos I watch before work, and I'll open up my whole playlist. I got a playlist for it, but I think it's private, so I'm gonna open it up for y'all to like see my playlist of positive videos I like to watch. If it's not that, then it may be a sermon, it may be music. Like, find out what works for you, because what works for me may not be what works for you. But I know that I have to train my mind to think positive, and it has to start when I wake up. I don't want to go to work, oh my gosh, I hate my job, I hate being here. Like, no, be positive. Know that you're only going to be there for a certain amount of hours, and then go forward. Like, oh my God, I have so many bills and they just don't stop. Like, no, don't think like that. Think about getting a better job. Think about how you can improve the job you're at, and if there's room for growth. And it's like so many positive angles you can like get out of life. And I refuse to be negative. I refuse to succumb to my environment and what life is giving me. I'm going to be successful. Like, I'm not taking it for, it's not an option. It's just not. And God has me where I'm at for a reason. It's a reason why I'm a supervisor right now. Like, I don't have no supervisor experience. But where I'm going in life, I may need to know how to supervise multiple people, multiple things. So I don't take it as a negative when people stress me out with dumb questions or like when I feel like I'm babysitting. You know, I don't let it stress me out too much because I know it's God got me. It's a reason why I'm here. It's a reason why I'm dealing with this. It's a reason for everything. Statistically saying, I have only been like at a job for the most. I only stay at jobs for a year. Then I move on to another job if they don't like, if I don't see no growth. I'll give a job a year to prove that, you know, I can grow. And so far I've been growing within this organization, but it's not something I want to do forever. As far as my mindset, I even changed my Instagram. I unfollowed almost everyone on Instagram. Um, and I'm only following a few people, and with Instagram, I only want to see funny videos or something motivational. I don't want to see nothing about sex, nothing about anything just out the ordinary. I mean, yeah. Because I'm on my phone so much, it's like I don't be on Facebook and Instagram. I'm always on there looking up some celebrity gossip or something that I don't need to be looking at. And I used to be really bad at celebrity gossip. I used to be like texting my sister whenever like some breaking news happened. Like when that Chris and Queen stuff happened, I'm texting my sister like, did you see this? Did you see this? Did you watch this video? Like I'm too involved with people that I don't know. It don't serve me no purpose, and it's really just corrupting my spirit. So I had to unfollow Shade Room, had to unfollow Hollywood Unlocked, any of those like celebrity gossip. No, I don't need to keep up with no celebrities. Keep up with me, keeping up with Ciera, okay? Cause you unknowingly or even knowingly, you make that like your life, and you compare your life to their life, and you're living through them. I don't want to do that. I want to be inspired by like people like the Kardashians are definitely inspo. I don't hate on them. They're inspo. But I don't want to feel like I'm living through them. Focus on your grass and watering your own grass. I don't want to be consuming more than I'm putting out. And now I understand why people say don't consume. Like I'm trying to be a YouTuber. Don't consume more YouTube videos than you're putting out. So this is what I get out of it. Posting I try to post every day. But doing so, I run out of video ideas. And then with the good ideas, I'm like, well, I don't want to do all my good ideas in 1 week. And then the next week, all I got is the boring videos to put out. And another thing, what's been getting on my nerve is my lighting. Like, I'll be doing a video and I can't look at the screen. And then next thing I know, the lighting is too bright, the lighting is off. And now I'm just like, man, I just gotta go with it because I gotta upload this video tomorrow. So I just have to discipline myself and better organize my filming days and my editing days. It's not good to feel comfortable for too long. Like, I feel kind of sad when people are like maybe teachers and they just got their life planned out. Like, I'm gonna retire and then me and my husband are gonna, like, no. Like, I heard somebody say, I just want a job making $15 an hour so I can afford to provide for my child. I'm like, that's good for like short term, but long term? Did you think about it? Did you dream? Like, as children, we dream about being a superstar, being a movie star. And then when we get grown and older, when it's time to make things happen, we don't know how to actually do that, and we give up on our dreams. And I hate seeing people that give up on their dreams. Like, even myself, I definitely feel self-doubt a lot. Recently I've been feeling self-doubt, but now I'm back on my, like, I feel like now I'm getting back. Had to let the devil know you don't control this. God is still gonna be doing stuff. God ain't done with me. My blessing gonna come, and I'm not gonna give up, and I'm not gonna give in, because when I give up and I give in, then the devil wins, then my dream don't come true, then I'm just working a a 9 to 5 for the rest of my life, barely surviving, making enough money to pay bills. Last year, just looking back on it, last year I did not follow a meal prep. Last year I did not exercise consistently like I'm exercising now. I exercise basically every day. But now I'm trying to get it where the month of September, I was going hard with working out and running every day. I'm about to get back to that consistency level. I'm about to get back with that food prep level. The holidays really threw me off. Because I knew I wanted those sweets. But I say that to say this, like, so much can change if you be that change. If you change yourself. If you say, you know what? I want to get an A in this class. So now every day after school, I'm going to go above and beyond to study and to seek a tutor to get that A. Like, and then when you get that A, you be like, this is easy. I could have been did this, la la la. Like, I promise you, I'm going to stick to my goals. My next PT test, I'm going to pass it because I've gotten closer to passing it. I just have to push myself more. And then what messed me up was when I got too comfortable and I only had to improve by a little. Then I'm like, okay, I got this. Let me ease up on my workouts. No, nothing in life is easy that's worth having. So I got to go hard. Every day I got to work out. I got to run. I have to eat good. Now I'm going to give myself like one cheat day, a day of cheating. But I'm gonna actually I kind of want to get a scale so I can weigh myself and be more strict on myself. Also, I got the calorie app by, I think it's called Under Armour or My Fitness. So I'm gonna start counting my calories and all that stuff as well, and really just getting down on myself. I can't let up. I can't let up on my YouTube. This sucky quality that I've been having, I gotta improve on it. I am in a kind of different background. I try to change some things up so my lighting is better. So I hope you guys like that. So I'm going to come back to you when I'm done and when this is off of my face. And that'll be in 10 minutes.
15 minutes later.
But that good form video is lit. That's all I gotta say. That video is lit. Let's take this mask off because now it's getting itchy. I just used a little rag. These are my face mask rags. These are my face mask rags. Only for my face mask. So I wet it. Then I just wipe it off. Pretty simple, pretty detailed. I probably will just speed through the rest of this video. Okay, so now that I have put on some lip gloss that is too shiny, I did my eyebrows and my eyelashes off camera, but overall I'm gonna say this mask really didn't do much for my skin. I feel like my skin is smoother and it does feel clean, but I don't know, it didn't like, it's an anti-stress mask, so I definitely feel uplifted, but I think I feel uplifted just because I was taking care of myself. I don't know if this mask even did anything for me. I guess I would have to use it a little more to actually see the results. But it's not bad. On a scale from 0 to 10, I would give it maybe a 5. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you stay uplifted, stay motivated. If you're complacent right now, go hard. It's the season of going hard. Before the end of 2018, you got the whole month of December to go hard on all your goals. So let's do it. Let's do it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to watch my next suggested video by me. And hit that subscribe button. See you at the next upload.